Recent medical research shows that proper nutrition can significantly enhance the quality of life for seniors living alone. As our bodies age, we have unique nutritional needs that impact our energy levels, immune function, and overall well-being. This video will guide you through practical steps to create healthy meals that cater to these specific needs. Whether you're already mindful of your diet or just starting to consider healthier options, this information is designed to empower you with easy-to-implement strategies. Understanding your body's changing nutritional requirements can make all the difference in your health journey. Think of your body as a machine where high-quality fuel yields the best performance. As you age, your metabolism slows down and your body may absorb nutrients differently. Therefore, it's important to focus on nutrient-rich foods that provide essential vitamins and minerals without overwhelming your digestive system. Our goal is to simplify meal planning so it fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Pay attention to signs that your eating habits might need adjusting. Common signals include frequent fatigue, sudden changes in weight, or digestive issues. Sometimes these can be subtle and easy to overlook. By being observant and responsive to these cues, you can make timely changes that support better health. Remember, it's important to maintain a balanced diet to prevent nutritional deficiencies and manage chronic conditions more effectively. When planning meals, focus on incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Simple swaps like choosing quinoa over white rice or using olive oil instead of butter can enhance nutritional value. Planning meals ahead and using batch cooking techniques can simplify meal preparation. The aim is to create a balanced diet that is enjoyable and sustainable, ensuring you get the nutrients you need without unnecessary stress. Safe and effective movement is essential alongside a balanced diet to sustain your health. Gentle exercises such as walking, stretching, or yoga can promote flexibility, strength, and cardiovascular health. Always listen to your body and adapt activities to suit your abilities. Whether it's a daily walk or a chair yoga session, finding activities you enjoy can improve your physical health and mental outlook. Regular medical checkups are crucial for monitoring your health and adjusting dietary needs. Building a relationship with your healthcare provider allows for personalized advice that considers any existing medical conditions. Knowing when to contact your healthcare team if you notice changes or have concerns ensures that you receive the best care. It's a partnership that supports your health goals and keeps you informed and reassured. Maintaining mental health and social connections can enrich your life significantly. Sharing meals with friends or participating in group activities helps combat loneliness and boosts morale. Engage in hobbies that bring joy and relaxation, and consider joining senior community groups or classes. A positive mindset contributes to overall well-being, so prioritize activities that nourish your spirit. In summary, balanced nutrition, regular exercise, and a positive mindset are vital for healthy aging. Start by setting realistic goals, such as adding more vegetables to your meals or walking a bit more each day. Small, consistent steps create significant impacts over time. Remember, you're capable of thriving at any age by making informed choices and seeking support when needed. Empower yourself with knowledge and take the first steps towards a healthier, more fulfilling lifestyle.